feeling like I'm touching the ceiling. But I can't really find it. Control my anxiety and do.
Hello Lovies, and welcome to my channel. It is me, Shanice, and I am here with another video. And I am so excited for today's video. I know I always say, I'm so excited for every video, which I am, but I'm really excited to be doing this video because this video is in partnership with JustMeReka, or Reka, however you do know her, or you may or may not know her. And so I'm very excited to be here doing this video in partnership and in business with her. Now let me tell you a little bit about who Reka is. Reka is a life coach. She is a women's empowerment coach. She is a public speaker. She is an event speaker. She is a radio host. She is an HBCU grad, a Howard Bison to be exact. And she is my cousin. So I'm so excited to be partnering with her today in business and to be just shedding some light on her brand, sharing her with you all. It's just an honor to do so. And I think that a lot of you all will be able to benefit from the things that she offers, the services that she offers, and just a way to bring light to this whole single conversation. Now, I know that I do makeup videos and I love doing makeup, but I also promised you all when I started my channel in that first video that I will be bringing you a whole bunch of different kinds of content. So today's content is just to encourage you. And one of the ways that I am partnering with Reka in this video is through her movement that she has developed entitled Single You. Now, Single You is a single women's empowerment group or movement that I would call it, that Reka has developed, and it is amazing. She teaches classes, she holds events, she has online classes, she does live streams, she has a website, she has a blog. She has so many different tools, and all of them are to empower single women. I think that there's such a negative cloud sometimes around being single, especially after a certain age. And I think it's awesome that she's doing all that she can to empower women to be happily single. And that's the key. Now, before y'all start, some rumors, yes, me and cameraman are happily together. We have not broken up at all. But I still wanted to take this opportunity to encourage single women and partner with her. And so today I will be unboxing the Happily Single Inspo Box by Reka. Here is a little glimpse of what it looks like, just a quick overview, but we will be digging into everything that's inside the box and the whole experience. Before we jump into that, I do want to remind you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to comment down below. This is the emoji that we'll be using right here. And of course, don't forget to ring the bell. Ring the bell. Don't forget to ring the bell so that way you know every time I upload, which will be every Sunday and sometimes on Wednesdays. And if you stay tuned to the end of the video, there may or may not be a way for you to get your very own Happily Single Inspo Box for free from me. So please stay tuned to see everything that's inside the Happily Single Inspo Box. We'll be doing an unboxing here today. And stay tuned to see how you can get one for yourself or for a single woman in your life that you love. All right, ladies, let's jump right into the video. Bye-bye. Now, the first thing you'll notice when you get your box is that it is packaged very tightly. I did use scissors to open it, so all of your contents inside the box are definitely safe. The next thing when you open your box, you're gonna see a really cute message from Reka, and it says, "I am here to help you adjust your crown." One thing that she really wanted to just let all of the young ladies know is that she is here to help you. This program is to help empower women all around, and I think that it's just such a cute little thoughtful message that she tucked inside the box when you first open it. One of the first things that you'll notice when you open your inspo box after you read the message is that you'll have a cute little letter from Reka, and it was tied with a pink ribbon, but I did cut it off just for easy access here on the video. And it just is a really cute picture from Reka, and it does have some notes here about the box. I will put the letter on the screen, and it just says, dropping a quick note to say thank you. Thanks for supporting me, Reka. And www.singleyou.com. I started Single You as a blog in hopes to heal from my past decisions I made with men. I'm healed, I practice self-care very well, and I'm here to help you heal. I hope that I can teach you and help you see your worth. And it also just has a note here that says she would love to see when you get your inspo box. So when you ladies do get your inspo box or purchase one to send to your friends, make sure you tell them to tag Reka, and she will definitely shout you out on her page. The next thing that you'll find in your Happily Single Inspo Box is this super cute mug. It is a very fluorescent pearl pink that says Happily Single, and then on the back you just have Reka's branding and logo on the back, and it is so cute. Okay, so you can sip on so many different things in this. Okay, let the haters know that yes, I am single, but I am happily single. Okay, somebody tell cameraman that I'm gonna be using this even though I'm not, you know what I'm saying, single. But I think this is just such a cute mug. What a cute way for single women just to be able to just celebrate the fact that they are not only single but happily single. So that is one of the first things that you will find inside of your box. The next thing you will find are several affirmation cards. Now these cards are to be used as a reminder of what being single really is. And I'll just go through a couple of them with you. This first one says that single is an option too. And this one says single is not a punishment. I absolutely love these cards. And when I was single for about 4, almost 5 years, this is something that I could have used just to have a little pick-me-up and a bit of encouragement. I think these are great reminders, great affirmations for you to say to yourself in the mirror, just to remind yourself that there's absolutely nothing wrong with you. Enjoy your single state. So that's the next thing that you'll find in your box. The next thing that you'll get is this cute pen and notepad. Now, this notepad is for you to write down your to-do list, your to-don't list. But if you think about it, and this is something that Reka has also said, a to-do list is a way to empower yourself. You get to see all the things that you've accomplished. You can write those down, make your notes. You get this cute pink and white notepad, several different sheets, and of course, this pink pen. And y'all know I do love green. It's my favorite color, but I love me some pink. So this is such a cute pen to write your notes with, and I think it's great. Awesome. Next in your box, you will find some rules to have when dealing with that guy. 3 simple reminders, and you can put this on your nightstand. You can have this on your desk just to remember how to handle those guys that we've all had to deal with, okay? But this is just a reminder for you ladies. You will also find an info card about the Single You program that Reka has developed. And this just says, are you a single woman? It has information about what she offers as a single woman's life coach. It has a text group that you can be a part of. And it just is inviting you to be a part of the Single You community and get enrolled in the Single You program. And then on the back, of course, it just has the same information as well. You will also receive this, which I thought was beautiful. It is a crown, and it is here to remind you that you are a queen, you are worthy, you are royalty, you are special, you are all of that and more, even in your single state. Okay, if it were me, I would set this next to my bed, just so when I wake up in the morning, I know that I'm a queen no matter what, and then when I go to bed at night, I know that I'm a queen. You know, I think that there's a misconception that a woman doesn't become a queen until she finds her king. And I just really want to reinforce what Reka is saying. You are a queen as you are. You do not need a king to be a queen. You are a queen as you are. Do not forget what and who you are, and most importantly, whose you are. Now, that may be all what's inside the physical box, but your experience does not stop there. Once you order your box, you will receive an email, and in that email, you will have a welcome package to include an ebook and worksheet around how to plan and execute your goals created by Reka. Each and every person that orders the box will receive this. So I think that it's great that she's also giving you some tangible, practical tools and skills to move forward in your single walk. Now, the Happily Single Inspo Box is available for purchase. You can purchase one for yourself or for a single woman in your life, and that can be purchased at www.single-u.com. Again, that's www.singleu.com. please go and support Rika. I think this is something that's awesome. And I think every single woman needs to be reminded that you can be happily single. It is up to you to make that decision. And because I believe in this program so much, I will be purchasing a Happily Single Inspo Box for one of my Lovies subbies. Yes, I will be purchasing one of these boxes for one of my Lovies subbies for you to have from me to you. I always want my subscribers to know that I am always in your corner, I'm rooting for you, and I care about you. So this month's giveaway will definitely be the JustMeReka Single You Happily Single Inspo Box. You'll be getting your own with the email inclusions, and it will be coming directly to you at your house. Now, how to enter the giveaway. Of course, you must be a Lovies subby, so definitely hit that subscribe button. 2, you just have to follow Rika and myself on Instagram. So Rika is at JustMeReka, and of course my Instagram handle is _XoXoShanice. And the last step to entering the giveaway is just commenting down below what being happily single means to you. Don't forget to leave your Instagram name or a way for me to contact you via email, and you're entered. So it's going to be running from today, which is Sunday, until Wednesday of this week, and the giveaway winner will be announced on Friday on my Instagram. I cannot wait to see who will be winning one of these lovely boxes. And again, I just wanted to reiterate that I am a woman that was single for almost 5 years. And in that time period, I spent a lot of time sad and wondering why me, I'm this great woman, I have all these things going for myself. And I also spent a lot of time happy. And the time that I spent happy, enjoying my single season, accomplishing my goals, getting closer to Christ, definitely outweighed those sad times. And I just want to be a woman that doesn't come on camera and act like I have it all together, I have this great relationship, I'm doing all these things, and forget where I came from in my journey to get to this point. I definitely want to encourage you as single women to be happily single. It is your choice. Okay, lovies, don't forget to enter the giveaway, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I know it is different for me, but I definitely wanted to partner with Rika in this. Thank you so much for the opportunity, Rika. I cannot wait to see your brand grow. I cannot wait to see all of the women that you touch, all the lives that you touch, and all of the women that you empower. All right, lovies, I hope that you guys have a great rest of your evening. Don't forget to share this video, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.